In this video, I will show you how I achieved this creative eyeshadow look. So if you want to know how to be creative with your eyeshadow application, then let's go. So I included every process of this makeup, the full section of the makeup, for those that want to learn it from the scratch. But if you don't want to learn it from the scratch, you're good with eyebrow application and every other part, and you just want to learn the eyeshadow application, then I'll be putting this video in chapters, so you can just keep to the chapter that interests you the most. Eyeshadow, we are going to use light pink eyeshadow. That is after the crease part that we did. As you can see in the video, the crease, I didn't do it like a full crease, it was like a half crease. So after the half crease eyeshadow, then I went on with my light pink eyeshadow. Because I applied the eyeshadow fully, I decided to use my wipe to just erase the down part so the pink doesn't interrupt the next color I'm going to be adding there. So for the lid there, I decided to use the yellow eyeshadow. Let's say yellow or golden eyeshadow will work perfectly for here, because I need colors that will be like visible. To get this shape, I use my eyeliner. But you can also use your darker shade of your eyeshadow. If you have a eyeshadow that's sharp, like a shimmer eyeshadow, then you can also use that. But I decided to use my eyeliner to create this effect. So guys, if you're just stumbling on my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. I just want to say a very big thank you to every one of you. Please click on that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing community. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and if you have anything to say, put it in the comment section. I'll be here to respond to you. And to my returning viewers, I just want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for always supporting your girl. You're the real MVP. Please smash that like button, share this video to your friends and family, and I want to hear your comments, your thoughts on this video. I will just leave you to watch the rest of this video. In place of eyelash, I use mascara because I don't want to use eyelash for this look. So guys, this is the last thing we're gonna be applying. So guys, what do you think about this look? I want to hear your genuine thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this makeup? Will you be recreating this look? I just want to hear, how do you like it between a scale of 1 to 10? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video.